Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So guys, in today's video, we'll see another example of lifecycle block where we'll prevent resources from destroy. So till now, what we were doing, we were just creating resources using Terraform Apply command, and when we want to get it destroy, we were just using Terraform Destroy command. Okay, but there may be a situation where some person want to play with your code or want to do some incorrect things with your code, and you don't want to destroy the things, but somebody else just want to destroy the resources. So how you will protect your resources from getting destroyed from Terraform Destroy command? So this we'll see with our lifecycle block that we are going to use in today's example. So on my screen, the code that you are seeing, it is a code of creating a virtual machine. So we'll use the same code in today's video, and we'll see how we can use lifecycle in order to protect our resources from deletion. So firstly, what we'll do, we'll just take a plan, because I already took initialization, so I'm not taking initialization today. So I'm just taking a plan here. So in this plan, it is saying that we are going to create 8 resources, and if we'll apply, it will create all those resources. So this will take some time. But once the resources are there, so every time we don't delete the resources, because when we work on live projects, so resources remained over there. But in order to avoid accidental deletion of all the things, we can use lifecycle block. So that's why lifecycle block is important. So there is one more parameter in lifecycle block that we can use. It is prevent destroy. So once we'll use that block, then we'll see what is the difference between without life cycle and with placing life cycle block. So it is still creating the resources. So give it some time. It will create all these resources, and once virtual machine will be ready, then we'll see how we can use that life cycle block. So give it some time. I think it is a final resource. So it is virtual machine. So it will take some time. And this type of lifecycle block we use widely in projects, and it is also one of the thing that usually people ask whenever you encounter any kind of interviews related to Terraform. So lifecycle block always asked why we need lifecycle block, how to use those block. So here we can see that virtual machine is getting created. So when we need to get it destroy, we just simply run a command Terraform Destroy hyphen hyphen auto approve. Then it will start destroying all your resources. But we don't want these resources to get destroyed with this command. So how we can put a kind of security or a kind of check, so that we can create here with the help of lifecycle block. So here there is one parameter which is called prevent destroy. So by default it is false, so we'll make it true. And once we'll make it true, and now if we'll use the same command in order to get it destroy, so let's see what it say. So it is refreshing the state, and after that we are receiving an error that instance cannot be destroyed. So that's why it is giving an line here, just like resource Azure RM resource group example has lifecycle.prevent destroy set, but the plan calls for the resources to be destroyed. To avoid this error and continue with the plan, either disable this prevent destroy or reduce the scope of the plan. So in this way we can avoid this kind of accidental deletion, or if somebody forcefully or by intention wants to delete your resources, so we can place these kind of checks in our code. And if I'll remove this particular lifecycle block, and if I'll run this command again, so you will see it is clearly going to destroy all these resources because there is no checks present here. So it is now refreshing the state, and after that it will show you a plan how many resources are going to destroy. It is saying 8 resources are going to destroy, and one by one it will delete all those resources. So guys, in this way we can use life cycle in order to prevent resources by accidental deletion or something. So I hope you understood the concept. If you like this video, just give a like to the video, and I'll see you in my next video.